Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Jaspas Deck, and welcome back to School of Cardistry. For the last round of our competition, the New Deck Orders Bounty number 5, we posed a very difficult challenge. That is to make a cardistry move based on the concept of 2. It's a very abstract concept that requires the cardist to think on a really high level. And today we're going to be honoring some of these cardists with the very prestigious position of Honorable Mentions. So shout out to all the entries that entered this very difficult cardistry contest, and let's move along to the Honorable Mentions. Let's go. First honorable mention goes to Sam Cody Q, who entered with a very fun, funny, enjoyable entry in which he sings the background track for his video. That da 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 da. Even though the cardistry is not top tier, I really enjoyed the energy and the enjoyability of the video. Shout out to you, Sam Cole. The next shout out goes to the cardist named Crescent Light, who put together a cardistry video on Instagram that felt like it could be viewed on a big screen. Heck, it even felt like a video that deserved to be on YouTube, to be watched on a big screen with nice emotional moments as you watch the video. He managed to compress a lot of different styled cardistry moves into one simple video, all the while preserving the look of having 2 different video clips on screen at the same time. Shoutouts to you, Crescent Light. That was a great video and it deserved to be watched by people around the world. Good job. Our next honorable mention goes to the cardist that goes by the handle Andre Lino, who came up with a very simple yet beautiful yet tight 2-handed 2-packet card. Now that might sound like it's a very easy thing to do. 2 hands, 2 packets, I'ma wave my packets around, right? That might be what some cardists think, but the truth is, no. Andre Lino managed to create a move that was simply efficient. The 2 packets barely left each other at all, and they basically moved in accordance with each other. The synchronicity between the 2 packets was simply beautiful and an absolute pleasure to watch. Shout out to you, Andre Lino. Good job. Our last honorable mention goes to the cardist by the title AK2 Cards, who produced an entire array of cardistry moves that revolve around the concept of this. Nope, not the number 2. This, as in the hand gesture, as in this. The video is well produced, the music selection awesome, and the cardistry moves that he creates based on this hand position are absolutely phenomenal. AK2 Cards' video also feels like a video that deserves to be on YouTube, to be watched on a big screen. Shoutouts to you, AK2 Cards. Good job. Now, with the honorables mentioned, let's move along to the winner of the New Deck Orders Bounty number 5. Beep, 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 beep. I am glad to announce that the winner for the New Deck Orders Bounty number 5 is He Is Not Who. He Is Not Who's entry showcases a display that is designed to be done with both hands and a leg. The display is big, well designed and impressive to look at, and an absolute treat for the viewer's eyes. I really enjoyed the fact that he used both the Broken Balls 2018 edition as well as the 2019 edition to further emphasize on the fact that he is paying attention to the topic at hand. The move that he performed also looks like it could be a Noel Heath styled move or a Dimitri styled move. And the closer is something that I really enjoy. Shouts to you, He Is Not Who. The admins on the New Deck Orders Instagram page will get in touch with you soon. Alright guys, so there you have it. That was the results for the New Deck Orders Bounty number 5, which moves us along to the New Deck Orders Bounty number 6. For the New Deck Orders Bounty number 6, the topic of this round is the scissor card. That's right, in this round we're going to be looking for the single best scissor card application cardistry move. That's right, you can use the scissor card as an opener to a two-handed cut, or you can use the scissor card as the central piece to your cardistry moves. Or heck, if you want to get real crazy, you can use the scissor card as the concept of maybe an isolation move. The world is your oyster. Let us see your scissor card variation. And here are the extra rules that you need to follow to join this contest. Alright guys, so there you have it. That was the results of the new deck orders bounty number 5 as well as the announcement for bounty number 6. I hope that you guys are staying at home, washing your hands frequently, staying healthy, and all in all, playing with your cards. I'm Jaspas. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye bye.